Morning, guys. So finally, my car is due for servicing, and this time I'm going to the Auto Bavaria Glen Marie Service Center. Not because I want to do service center hopping or what, but the rare noise problem is still happening. So this time I'm going for a second opinion. So I want to do my routine service maintenance, as well as to sort out the rare noise issue once and for all, hopefully. So I made the appointment like 2 weeks ago. Apparently there's a slot for me at Glen Marie, so I'm heading to Glen Marie now. And it has been a week. I'm using the Continental MC6 tires, which are the non-run flat tires, and so far I'm quite happy with it. It is a lot quieter, less road noise, and it is also less bumpy too. It feels a lot more comfortable comparing to the run flat tires, which is very true about all the debates and the rumors or the pro and cons. I have to agree that non-run flat tires is way better for cars. So the only con is that you have to beware of flat tires and all those things, but it is really comfortable. As for the MC6 tires performance, I haven't got a chance to test it out aggressively. So far I've been using the tires for just 1 week, and I use it for normal commuting to work and within city drive. So far I'm quite happy with it. And it really, before that, when I was using the run flat tires from Bridgestone, I felt that the M Sport suspension was a bit stiff and quite hard, and it's very bumpy whenever you go over uneven road surface or things like that. But after changing to the non-run flat tires, I really feel different. I feel that the suspension has become softer. I know the suspension is still performing as it is, but the non-run flat tires, I think it has compensates the stiffness of the suspension. So would I recommend non-run flat tires to users who have been using run flat tires? I would say yes, if you are the kind of drivers who are really look after your car, who really check your tire pressures every week or every 2 weeks. And yeah, so there's a spider, I think. So I'll do another sharing of this MC6 tires when I get a chance to go for a ride with my friends at the Gotong or Kara. Okay, I'll talk to you guys when I reach the service center at Glemery. Oh yes, talking about reloading at the toll. I'm sure everyone has that kind of that experience recently, especially if you are not those e-wallet user for your touch and go. I believe that most of the toll plaza has stopped providing reload service to motorists. I think starting in August, as I was told by my friends. Apparently, they said it would help to reduce the congestions at the traffic. At the toll. So, I personally had experienced it like 2 weeks ago when I was on the NKVE. I wanted to reload at the Duta toll, but I was told that there's no reload service anymore, and I thought I could get a reload when I exit the NKVE expressway, but still there's no reload service, and unfortunately I only left a few, I think 30 or 40 cents balance in my touch and go card. So I had no choice. I just have to drive through and scan the card, and it triggered the alarm, and then there's a toll staff that came out to help me to reload the card, which is rather embarrassing and inconvenient. So I guess from now onwards, you just have to be very mindful of your touch and go card balance, and try to use e-wallet. I believe that's the main objective of one of the main objectives for them to stop providing reload service, because I think they're pushing for the RFID and also the e-wallet. Well, I'm not a smart tech user, and I'm not a RFID user yet, because you see there's a lot of problem, like the cars stuck there, they have to reverse and give way for the car that's stuck there for what, I don't know what reason, probably not insufficient balance, and then they have to come to your touch and go lane, and you see, let's say that fella really has insufficient balance in the touch and go card and e-wallet. How would he make his way all the way to the end of the toll for reload service? You see, this is another RFID problem. Reversing, making way for other cars. I'll call this it's become inefficient again when you try to be very efficient. This is simply stupid, isn't it? So, still I'm an old-fashioned way. Use the conventional touch and go card, which I believe they will phase it out quite soon. So finally, after driving for about 1 hour, here we are at Glemery, and Auto Bavaria Service Center is just ahead. What the hell, man? What the hell, man? service?
Parking. Gaड़ी parking.
Okay. All right. This is so serious, man.